In today's video, I will be showing you how to make motorcycle noises with your bicycle. First, you're going to need a bottle. Then you will empty out the liquid, then squish it down. And then you can just, then all you have to do is just squish it down into it. And then here are the noises it will make.